the question of almost everybody who is not from a big God, God is in the Bible. God is a God described in the Bible as a God of love. But He is also a God of justice. Love without justice cannot be considered good. A married man can love another woman other than his wife. And that is injustice to the wife and to the children. Therefore, God without love without justice is not true love, and it is not justice. God is not only introduced in the Bible as a God of love, He is also a God of justice. He is a God of reason. He is a God of permanence and logic. He is also a God of being merciful also, as the Bible calls Him, most merciful. He forgives sins. He forgives errors, mistakes that were done by people who are innocent when they have done such things. Just like the Apostle Paul, before he was converted to Christianity, he was a persecutor of the Christian religion, and he was a blasphemer. Let us read, sister, in 1 Timothy chapter 1, verse 18.